Hello guys, today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called AudioCreator, which is a professional and fully cloud-based platform to create unlimited high quality audiobooks in just 60 seconds. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free custom bonuses for you guys. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer plus my free bonuses, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Writing this single page in a text file could take you at least 3 minutes with all of the formatting and everything it implies. Not to mention the time it would take to read out this page so you can convert it to an audiobook or a podcast. What if there was a simple way to convert entire books, whether they were PDFs, real books, your actual handwritings, to podcasts, audiobooks in an instant? So, we'll take as example this page I just took a photo of out of my own library. And we're going to see the process of AudioCreator. All we have to do is upload it right here. There aren't any forms to detect any tables or receipt processing. We're going to select the language and we can choose from 6 different languages. We'll just go with English, click extract, and it's done within seconds. And we can have a look at the result. So on the left side here, we can see the picture that had its text extracted. And on the right side, we can see the text and we can see the confidence with which the text was extracted. We can see it from top to bottom, including the page number. We can see that it added an A here and added a confidence of 68% because it couldn't recognize this symbol here. Now, to download this file, all we have to do is just click download results. It will download it as a zip file with a TXT inside, and we can see it right here. Now, all we have to do is just get rid of the A, get rid of the page number, and then just copy it into our text-to-speech feature. And we just copy it here. Now, keep in mind that you can paste in here an unlimited number of characters, so you can convert books into entire podcasts or audiobooks in a matter of seconds. So now all we have to do is pick the language of our text, which is English, and for our text-to-speech function we have over 100 languages available. That way you can use AudioCreator even just for its text-to-speech function. So let's see how Benjamin sounds, and we can just click preview.
For description to the ones in my book, Wayne paused to think. It was a long pause.
And it's perfect. It's just so engaging, and you can play around with either standard or AI voices to see how they sound. And you can go for Christopher now, for example.
A description to the ones in my book.
We can see it sounds a bit different than Benjamin, and we have these tens of voices for each language that we can play around with, including output volume and speaking rate, to make sure that it fits exactly with what we want to create for our podcast or audiobook. With millions of articles included, AudioCreator is a one-stop shop for creating podcasts or audiobooks and uploading them directly on Amazon, or even just creating your own podcast. It's extremely easy to use and it's all just a few clicks away, so check it out right now and I can't wait to see you inside.